There we go. Big smile for Daddy. There you go. Big smile. Big smile.
Oh, they're in a circle.
No, don't put your hand on.
Can you just turn it around for me?
Oh.
Oh, it's got out. Oh.
There you are, Emily. Do you want to have a go? You wanted to check.
Left for Mummy.
Can you write your name? Write your name.
It's all bent.
Oh, it's gone again. So give him yours, Nick. Big circle.
That's brilliant, Jack.
There we are. Really good. Lovely job.
Careful, don't put your hand on it.
No, she's.
You just have to touch it.
Keep waving it, Jack.
Don't touch it, Emily. Don't touch it.
It's very hot.
Nice photo.
Very hot.
And then don't touch the end.
Taken off
What is
the
it? Is that a dog?
smaller boy straps, and now he's in his chair, but with the big adult seatbelt.
Wow. You are getting big, aren't you?
So could you get on our boosters?
Yes. Jack, would you
Well
just
done,
wipe your
Jack.
mouth on your sleeve? Look at your sleeve.
That's Grandad's golfing cap,
Go
that is.
to Daddy and say, I need a wet wipe on my sleeve. This is hot chocolate.
There's some. There's Peppa Pig ones might do.
No, it's his nose, mouth, his smoking. Such a boy.
So we're about to go off on a bit of a bike ride. And Jack and Grandad are just up there. Maybe you can't see them. There they are, sorting out Jack's bike. Off we go. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down.
Going to the water for him. Going to the water. Oh, watch him go too fast.
Oh, Jack.
Come away from the toys, Jack. This is called a piggyback, Emily. Can you say piggyback?